What up? We see light. Did you see that?
Yes.
Do you see the lightning? Oh, I slipped. Oh, I saw more. There was some over here. Ooh.
That was a good one.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, that's so cool. I'm catching it on camera. I'm just posting it. So, this is awesome. Oh, I hope you saw that because I felt like you didn't see it. Can I go down to this rock?
Careful.
Oh, this is scary. I'm in flip-flops too. Guys, we can go down to this rock.
What? No.
Oh my goodness.
Did you see that?
So that you have a picture of
Papa, come down here. Oh.
and we'll do just one picture on the page, and we'll label it.
So, this is when our mom died. Or something like that. Oh, dude, I should have saw that. Papa, let's go down to this rock. Dude, this is scary. I have not seen thunder in so long. I think power's gonna go out. Oh yeah, and I'm still in Spokane. Just to tell you. Dude. So I'm gonna go down to this rock. I did not go fully down there yet. Kira, wanna come? Kira, wanna come down to this rock?
Look at the lightning. It's so crazy.
Wait, I didn't see it.
Don't fall.
I won't.
Carmen, don't go down there.
Oh, I saw one on the corner of my eye.
Kira, come on. You guys come up here.
Whoa.
Come over here.
Ugh.
It's fine. With this view. Yeah, look at that sunset. Let's do that.
So we have balloons. We're gonna let them go. From.
Corbin, you realize that's a trail right there.
Can we go down it?
Do you want to hike that one day?
Not right now.
Not today. Can we
I
do
want to do it so we can see the
that? Oh
lightning.
my goodness.
Oh, I just put dial Josh. I hope he doesn't call back.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys the balloons.
So who's getting in the picture? Because I'm taking it.
Okay, Corbin, your balloon.
It should be you and the kids.
My turquoise one.
Oh my goodness.
You want to take one with my phone?
Whoa!
Take it with my phone then, John. Come on. Here.
Oh my.
Stop.
Oh.
Okay, stop.
I want to get a video with you guys on the balloon.
Whoa! That's a
We're
huge
raining over here, though.
one!
It's raining over here.
I did not see it. I saw one like.
Whoa! Oh my god!
These, I don't want to waste time right now. I want to watch this. Look at that.
Oh
We have to watch this. We have to watch this. This doesn't
Did you
get any
see
better than
that?
This is amazing.
Your mom?
And I have a
This is
rope
what-
in my
Your
mouth.
mom wanted to chase
Storms.
storms. She wanted to be a storm chaser.
Oh, she wanted to be a storm chaser?
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
Yeah, but she loved lightning.
And wind and
Whoa.
storms.
Should we let go of our balloons now? Papa, you have to hold
Okay,
mine.
let's get down here. Okay.
You have to hold mine with
No, that's all right.
So
I'll
we're
make
gonna
it
do
to
it
it
now.
Okay, come on, guys.
Down here? No,
right
let's
here.
do it right here.
Right
the
here.
Let's go over there.
No,
Right
right.
there. Hey, come in here, Corbin. I want you to be with Nana and Kira because we got to get a picture. Because Kira's going to want this in her album for July 23rd.
Come on, get your balloon up here, buddy. Are you recording right now, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get your balloons up. A little bit higher, Kira.
Ready? Okay, I think we got him.
Okay, let's let him go. Come on, guys.
Let him
Come
go.
here.
Wait, I
Come
go
here.
down there and let
No,
him
we're gonna
go.
do it right
Down
here.
Right there.
I'm gonna
Let's do it
fall.
right here.
So let's do it right
You
here.
want to be as high above the
Kira,
trees as
Kira,
possible.
you have to
don't
be
want your
higher.
balloon to pop.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So come here.
Up here, you're
Come here.
high enough above the trees.
Oh,
Come here.
do you see that?
Yes.
Come here with me. Turn around.
Wait, Papa. Come here. You
Corbin, put your balloon
I
up.
want you to.
Do it with you?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I
Okay.
popped your balloon.
All right.
I want a picture of this though.
You popped it?
Let's let it go. I've got part of the
You
string.
got it?
Here you go. I got part of the string.
He's got the string here.
Okay.
Okay, Corbin, get in the
go.
picture. Get in the picture.
Whoa.
Let it go.
Okay, here we go.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
They're all together.
Take a picture.
Mom's
They're all
gonna
together.
get them all together.
Mom's gonna get them all together. You're right.
Oh no, they're starting to go apart.
No,
Me and Corbin.
no, they will
Me
stay
and-
together.
Me and Corbin are just like so close.
They'll stay together.
Kira.
So go ahead with the lighting now.
Lightning. Oh. I said this is my coolest video ever.
How high up this is, Corbin? Look at that highway down below.
I know.
Like, come here.
Why? Because you ate a pastry so fast?
No. That's what I'm for.
So that Evansville live, those lights over there on that hillside. And over on this hillside, that's where Seth and Laura live. Oh my God.
Oh, that's good.
I wonder if that's hitting
Oh.
This guy's so big.
anyone.
So I'm gonna end it here. Bye.